Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Behind me, 2014 Hyundai Elantra. We're going to be replacing the spark plugs. Pretty straightforward. Let's get started. We'll start by pulling off our engine cover. It's just held on with grommets, so pull up. 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Set that aside. Let me move you, maybe we can see a little better. Next, we have our ignition coil electrical connectors. They have gray locking tabs. I like using an angled pick just to get on that locking tab and pull it up. And then we just pinch and pull it off the coil. Sometimes these gray tabs do like to break. That's okay. It'll still lock in place when we connect it back up. So we'll pull off all of them. And then holding our ignition coils in are 10mm bolts. Before we pull that off, we want to take an air hose or a vacuum cleaner and clean out around our ignition coils before removing them. Just gonna spray real quick, wear safety goggles. Pull our coils off. And wiggle and pull these out. We'll use a standard 5/8 spark plug socket with an extension. Crack them loose. And buzz them out. Put our new spark plugs in our socket and then hand thread it in. My manual says these are torqued between 11 and 18 foot-pounds. For our ignition coils, we're gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease on our boot. Get it in there, squish it around. That helps it slide on and off easier in the future. Drop it in. Do that to the next one. I don't have a torque spec for these, but they're just snug. We don't want to over torque them and they're not going anywhere. Plug it back in, lock our tabs. That's it. On our engine cover, you can put a little dielectric grease where our grommets are. That can help it slide on and back off a little more easier. Push it in, and we're done. All right, there you go. That's how you replace spark plugs on your Hyundai Elantra. I think this repair is something you can do. I have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. See you on the next one.